Hello and welcome. This is Ruben from PAS Professional Amazon Services, and welcome for our newest Amazon DIY. For today's topic, I'm going to teach you how quickly create a shipment for a single SKU pallet. And again, this comes from my own struggles on how to try to create one. Amazon did not have that crucial feature that it has right now. So if you're selling an large items that can fit a single SKU on a pallet. Let's say your pallet carries 20 of a single SKU of a product. For example, in my case, it was an basketball hoops or a case of water. This will be the great way to utilize this feature that Amazon is providing. It is very easy to, so let's get started. To start, you need to go to your shipments tab. Here, I have it already set up as a shortcut, but if you do not have it, no worries. You need to go to the menu, go inventory, and go to the shipments. And from shipments, obviously, you're going to see all the shipments that is currently happening, but you want to go to the shipments on the top and send to Amazon. I'm going to create everything from scratch, so no worries if if things do not look like yours. So we're going to pick a SKU that we currently have, and we're going to go to create a new packing template. This is the option we're going to choose. From here, we're going to type a name, which I usually pick one pallet, and this is the section that is most important. Template type. You can have a case pack, which will mean you're going to put your individual units in a case, or the second option, single SKU pallet. We're going with a single SKU pallet, units per box. It is, let's say it's a 1 unit per box, and our dimension is 12 by 12 by 12. Obviously, this is imaginary, whatever it is, and 24 pounds. And importantly, how many boxes per pallet? In this case, we're going to go with a 50 boxes. Seller labels, and it's no prep needed, so we're going to continue and save. And now here you go. Here we have it. We're up to us to indicate how many pallets we are shipping. Let's say 3 pallets or 2 pallets, and we are ready to send it. It automatically fixed the 150 units and 150 box. Remember that we indicated that it's a 1 SKU per box, so that is the reason. If we want to do it more, we can definitely do that. And if your single box creates more units than one, obviously you can adjust that, and then rest of it as per scheduled program. You're going to continue. You're going to pick the type of the shipments and you're going to approve it. So let me know if you find this useful. Please like and comment and follow more Amazon DIY tips at the pasagency.com. Thank you very much.